McTear's is delighted to be very much back to business as usual. Make an appointment via our easy-to-use website system. Appointments are available for valuations, consigning items to auction and for pickups. You don't need an appointment to attend a viewing or auction. We will monitor the number of people in the premises at one time in order to safeguard your health. When you visit McTear's Glasgow galleries, we hope the first thing you'll notice is the friendly welcome. The next thing may be the measures in place for your safety. A quick 3 seconds is all it takes for our thermal camera to read your temperature as you step inside. Then, it's over to contactless hand sanitizer. When meeting a specialist for a complimentary auction valuation, you will be seated behind a screen. You'll see our staff wearing face coverings or masks in areas that screens are not in place, and we kindly request that you wear one too. When viewing an auction, you'll be safeguarded by a screen. Floor markers will indicate where to stand and designate a distance of 2 meters in various areas. Signs are in place to give you the information you need as you make your way through the viewing galleries and auction sale room. We look forward to welcoming you soon. The buzz of the auction awaits you. What will you discover?